Ford Ranger Super Duty. The Australian workhorse, reborn for years, Australia's heavy-duty commercial ute market has been dominated by the Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series, following the decline of local manufacturing in 2017. Now, Ford is challenging that reign with the Ranger Super Duty, a vehicle conceived, engineered, and built entirely in Australia. This isn't just a Ranger with a few upgrades. It's a fundamentally reinforced workhorse designed for industries that demand relentless durability and payload capacity. The rise of the Super Duty. Filling a market void, the discontinuation of the Nissan Patrol Ute left a significant gap in the Australian market. While Toyota has held the fort, the Super Duty aims to redefine what a commercial ute can be. This vehicle isn't for casual drivers. It's built for blue-collar trades, mining operations, and outback expeditions where failure isn't an option. The core principle behind the Super Duty is simple: unyielding toughness. Ford hasn't just bolted on heavier components. They've re-engineered the entire chassis, suspension, and drivetrain to handle extreme loads and conditions. Under the skin, reinforcements from the ground up. The Super Duty's ladder frame chassis utilizes thicker, reinforced steel. Suspension arms are cast aluminum, not folded steel, providing superior strength. The rear differential comes from a Transit, further upgraded, and paired with 8-stud wheel hubs borrowed from the F-250 Super Duty. Rear leaf springs have been lengthened and strengthened, brakes enlarged, and the cooling fan increased by 25% in power. Even the long-range fuel tank is armored with form of steel plating in key areas. These aren't just incremental improvements. They're wholesale upgrades designed to eliminate weak points and ensure longevity in the harshest environments. The result is a vehicle capable of handling extreme weights without buckling under pressure. Performance specs. Built for business, the Ranger Super Duty boasts a 4,500 kg gross vehicle mass, GVM, the maximum before requiring a truck license, and an 8,000 kg gross combination mass, GCM. It can tow up to 4,500 kg, braked and carry between 1,825 kg and 1,982 kg in the tray, depending on the body configuration. Ford may have inadvertently made GVM upgrades obsolete with this vehicle. Despite these heavy-duty specifications, the Super Duty doesn't skimp on technology. It includes a standalone driver assist technology bar with rear parking sensors, a reversing camera, and safety aids. Onboard weight scales and towing aids further enhance functionality. On the road, surprisingly refined while designed for work, the Ranger Super Duty doesn't feel compromised on the road. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth, even unladen, absorbing bumps and potholes with minimal discomfort. The 3-liter turbodiesel V6, detuned to 154 kW and 600 Nm, provides ample power without straining. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly and efficiently, even under heavy loads. The Super Duty's handling is surprisingly confident for a heavy-duty ute. The added weight seems to stabilize the vehicle, reducing body roll and improving high-speed stability. Off-road, the locking differentials, hill descent control, and trail turn assist provide exceptional traction and control. Pricing and availability. Currently, the Ranger Super Duty is available in cab chassis configurations, with style-side pickups arriving next year. Prices start at $82,990 for the single cab, $89,990 for the dual cab, and $86,490 for the extra cab. Adding a basic tray will push the price to around $90,000 The verdict: a true Australian workhorse, the Ford Ranger Super Duty isn't just another ute. It's a purpose-built machine designed to withstand the demands of the most challenging work environments. With its reinforced chassis, upgraded drivetrain, and surprising level of refinement, it's a worthy contender for the crown of Australia's toughest commercial vehicle. This is a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, it obliterates them.